The initiation of the explosive eruption was a series of earthquakes extending more and more toward the east point of the island of Hawaii along the chain of craters line, which ends at Kapaho, close to the shore. And in April of 1924, Kapaho was all split up with great cracks across the roads, some of them 10 feet wide, and about 75 earthquakes happened in one day. This seriously faulted the shoreline so that places along the shore sank 8 to 10 feet below sea level, and there were coconut ponds where one could swim around them after this event. This was in late April, and on May 10th at Halemaumau there began great avalanchings inward and widening of the pit. On about the 11th of May, some of the fragments falling in as avalanches began to be thrown out by steam jets. One man was killed on the 18th of May, a young fellow with a camera who had gone down to photograph after being warned by Mr. Finch of the Volcano Observatory, who had been observing the intervals, that explosions were coming in Halemaumau, and he was struck by falling boulders. The lava presumably followed this line of chain of craters to the east point and flowed out under the sea. The groundwater of the island apparently got into where the red-hot hole was left by the vacating lava, and the pit above was choked by its own avalanche debris, so that a steam boiler was formed.